Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. In the previous video which I prepared on the basic concepts of the fraction which as in the simple language. So whole means 1, 1 half means 1 by 2, 1 third means 1 by 3, 1 fourth means 1 by 4. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you today, how we have to read 1 by 2, half, third, fourth, fifth, है ना? So it is difficult to read you. So did you know the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth? It is called as ordinals, and which we studied in the first or second standard, like that train is given or something. You know? So the first thing, this is also the numbers, but it is in the order. These numbers are called in the order numbers: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So in the fraction we use generally the ordinals. Suppose it is 1 by 3, so we read as 1 third. 1 third. If it is 1 by 4, so we read as a 1 fourth. If it is 1 by 2, so we are not reading it is 1 by 2, 1 by second, but we read as a half. Okay, so let's start with the 1 half. It is 1 by 2, it is read as 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2 or 1 half. See how many names there to 1 by 2. It is 1 half also, it is 1 by 2 also, and it is 1 upon 2 also. Okay, so that's okay. Don't take tense. As you study in the complete chapter, it's habitual and it's easy to understand to you. Okay, so 1 half of whole we'll study now. What is that? When we divide one whole into two equal parts, means what? When complete whole which we divide in two equal parts, so as I yesterday explained in the previous video, 1 is divided by 2, then whatever the things comes, that is called as 1 half. Okay, so two equal parts, each part is called as 1 half of that whole. Each part is called as 1 half of the whole. So we write 1 half as 1 by 2. So this is whole, these are the whole, and this is 1 half. Okay, the shaded part, it is 1 half. This is shaded part is also 1 half, and not shaded part is also 1 half. So how many 1 half makes whole? 2 1 half makes whole. 2 1 half make whole. Understand? Means what? 1 half plus 1 half is equals to whole, and whole is nothing but it is what? 1. Okay, and whole equals to 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1. This is common sense which we have to understand. These things are very much useful for your Olympiad questions. That's why I'm explaining too briefly. Okay, so you may don't think so sir as teaching too fast or any more knowledge than the textbook given. So I have to make you best, better, good na? So that's why this knowledge is very much important for Olympiad exam. So next is that, my dear student, that is 1/3 of a whole. Okay, 1/3 of a whole means what? As simple as definition. You have to write down. You have to write down the heading also and definition, and these are all things which I written on the notebook. Okay, so I have done the homework for you. So you also do as the classwork. Okay, 1/3 of a whole. So when a whole is divided into three equal parts, so each equal part is called as 1/3 of a whole. Okay, so this is denoted as, it is also called as 1/3. Okay, 1/3, or we can say that 1, you tell me how? 1 by 3, and third name is what of its? 1 upon 3. Okay, these are the three names. You can read in any way. In maybe is there any fourth way, you can read it as per that also, no problem. You can, if your parents said. We write 1/3 as 1 upon 3. This is the in writing format, and this is in the reading format. Writing, reading. Definition, now we'll see the in the diagram. This is complete, it is whole. These all figures are whole figures, and here shaded part which is denoted as each part is called as 1/3. Okay, here shaded part is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. This is also 1/3. This is also 1/3, because they all are equal parts. Now in my diagram it is not look equal parts, but it is equal parts. You consider as they are equal parts. Okay, so here is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and while making you also you have to make it same as equal parts. Okay, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. When these three 1/3 parts come together, that time it form a whole, and that whole is complete. For example, this is chocolate, it is complete chocolate, and this how many chocolate it is? Complete one chocolate, and we make the three parts of it is perk. Consider this is a perk. Okay, long bar of perk, we divided in three equal parts, so like that. So as already you know that fraction is the part of a whole. This 1/3 is a fraction number, and this is the nothing but it is the part of a whole. Okay, so in the same way here is also three box which join togetherly. Three box are there which join togetherly and it form one fixed shape. Each shape is made by the three different blocks, three unique blocks which having the same size. So each part is called as 1/3. Equal parts, they all are equal parts. Okay, so as the same, how we can say that 3 1/3 makes whole, है ना? These are the understanding which we studied. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is equals to whole, that is 1. Okay, understand? So like that. Next is 1/4 of a whole. 1/4 of a whole means what? Definition you can see. Write down the 1/4 of a whole heading. What is definition? When we divide one whole into four equal parts. Means what? When one is divided by four equal parts, so each part is called as fourth, 1/4. What is called as 1/4 or quarter? See here the two names which comes, they are the, see, okay, new name for 1/4, which is quarter and 1/4. Okay, they both are same. So we can read, how we will read? 1/4. What is the meaning of quarter? Quarter is nothing but it is the 1/4 part of a whole. पूरे होल का चौथा पार्ट. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैविंग अ चपाती इज कंप्लीट, यू से नो मेरे को आधी की भी आधी होना, आधी की आधी. So that is this called as 1/4, or you can say that 1/4. Okay, so this is nothing but it is pav. In the Marathi side they said pav. In Hindi what you say that quarter, or another may word you know. Okay, so each part is called as 1/4 or a quarter of the whole. So these are the things. This is whole part. When we make shared equally into the four equal parts, each part is called as quarter. This is also quarter. How many quarter? One means 4 quarter make one whole. Okay, 4 1/4 makes whole. 4 equal cubes make whole figure. Okay, so they all are what? 1/4. This also 1/4. This also 1/4. This also 1/4. And 2 3 4. 4 1/4 equals to one whole. Okay, so this is the combination and that learning which we studied. So 1/4, 4 1/4, it is equals to makes whole. Okay, or we can say that 4 quarter makes whole, and whole is what? 1. Okay, so now this is the some extra Olympiad like questions which you need to understand it. Now write the fractions for shaded part. See, these all questions and things are for your understanding and concept based. You can solve your textbook also. I prepared another video for also textbook exercise. Okay, so here how many total parts are there? 2. Out of that how many are equal? So whenever the two total parts, how many? Always we write total parts down. Total parts how many? 2. How many part is shaded? 1. So write upside 1. It is 1/2, or we can say that 1 half. Okay, next is what? Total parts, how many? 1 2 3 parts. So right here 3 parts. And how many parts shaded? 1. So 1 by 3. Okay, so here we'll write how 1/3, because 3 equal parts there na, so we will choose here third. Okay, here how many? 1 2 3 4 5 equal parts. Okay, so we'll write here 5 down, 1 is shaded, so it is 5 means what? Fifth. So we'll write here 1/5. Okay, here is what? 4 equal parts and 1 is shaded, so it is what? Fourth is what? Fourth. So it is name is what? 1 4. Okay, here how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts are there, so right here upon it 1. So now you see how many talented you are. Now you are understanding everything. Very good. So here is 1 8 means what? Eighth. So we'll write here 1 8. Last is what? TH is compulsory. Now my dear students, let's see, these are the two parts and one part is shaded, so we'll write here 1/2, or we can say that 1/2. As you know that now, 1/2 has having how many names? See, 1/2 is having 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. You can read any. So here is one part shaded and total 3 parts, so 1/3. You write the name here 1/3. Here is 1 2 3 4 part is there and one part is shaded, so 1/4. You can read as 1/4. Okay, next is here how many? 2 parts are shaded, so 2/4. So you can read as 2/4. Yes or no? 2 parts are shaded, so we'll write 2/4. Here how many parts shaded? 1 2 3 4. 3 parts shaded and total parts are 4, so we'll write here 4 parts and 3 parts shaded here, so we'll write here 3/4. Okay, so all the best. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Write down in your notebook. It will help you for your Olympiad exam. After that, your logics, to develop your common sense, study. Okay, all the best. It is very easy, and practice it. You can make your own example also and share that homework too with me. You can take another shapes and make such a 10 example. Today's homework is what? Make such a 10 example. Okay, if any doubt, any queries there, so you can contact me, as you know that my number. Okay, you can contact any doubt, any problem, and share your homeworks on this number also. Okay, bye.